Alright, what's up, legends? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Anis from A Square Solutions, and on this channel, we don't sell dreams, we build systems, real dashboards, real traffic, real money paths. No fairy dust, no guru nonsense. And today, episode 9 is where theory ends and proof begins. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and if you haven't smashed that subscribe button yet, man, now's the time, because this playlist is basically a free digital university. Also, quick favor, hit like. It tells YouTube, yeah, this content actually helps people. All right, let's roll. So the big picture before I open any screen, let me say this clearly: making money online is not magic, it's math. Traffic plus trust plus system is equal to income. That's it. Same rule offline too. Imagine you open a shop, location is it's in traffic, shop design, trust, cash counter, system. No traffic, no sales, no trust, people walk out, no system, chaos. Online business works exactly the same, just digital. Now let me show you. So first, this is the YouTube studio. Look at this. This is not entertainment. This is a content engine. Every video is like hiring a digital employee. They don't sleep. They don't ask for salary. They don't take lunch breaks. They just sit on the internet bringing attention back to me. Views, watch time, subscriber, you can see. Even small numbers matter. Why? Because momentum beats perfection. Most people quit at zero. Winners stay when numbers look boring. That's the difference. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. You have literally watching a business being built live. Now here you can see these are the playlist. This is not random videos. This is funnel, episode by episode, step by step. Think of it like Netflix for entrepreneurs. People being watched, trust builds, action happens. That's strategy, not luck. Now, this is the Google Analytics. So this right here is global proof. Look at active users, look at countries, people visiting from US, India, China, UAE. Let me explain in the real world terms. Like, imagine you opened a tiny office in somewhere uh, in African country, and suddenly people walk in from America, you'll be probably fall off your chair. That's what the internet does. Geography is dead online. Traffic channels are like organic search, uh, s- social, direct referral. So each one is a different road bringing people to your shop. Visitor are potential customer. So traffic is oxygen, no fire. Now search console. This is Google telling you, hey bro, I showed your website this many times. That's impression. Impression or window shopping. Click customer enters stores. See queries. So these are real keywords people typed. This is buyer intent being born. SEO is not guessing. SEO is listening. Most beginners write blogs blindly. Pros read Search Console. Big difference. And now let's talk money here. AdSense. Yes, earning are small right now, and I'm proud to show that because everyone starts here. First dollar is the hardest. After that, it becomes repeatable. Look at the payment steps: tax info, identity, bank threshold. This is the Google preparing to pay you. Online income is boring paperwork, but if you are going to add consistency in that, then uh, it will create income. Not Lamborghinis, not Dubai Reels, not just systems. Remember, small numbers today become big systems tomorrow. So stay in the game. Now, Hostinger, this is the infrastructure. Let me explain. Like real estate, domain are the address, hosting is the land, and website is the building. We can't build a mall without land. Same online. Here's Hostinger, website, performance, traffic countries, a referral dashboard, everything in one place. And yes, I use Hostinger personally. If you want the setup, here's my referral link, and I've already added this referral link in my description also. So you would use it or don't, your call. But good tools matter, and cheap tools cost your time. So this is the WordPress. This is the content factory, post, and let me show you the categories. And here is the SEO stats. SEO, this is where digital assets are created. Each blog post are one soldier on Google. Each category, one business vertical. So this is not blogging. This is building digital real estate. Some people collect land, some collect likes, some people collect indexes, pages. Look at the impression, keyword, average position. So SEO is compound interest. Slow at start, crazy later. Most people most quit before compounding kicks in. Don't be most. Now this is where magic becomes money. So traffic comes in, forms get filled. Like type any name, like Jim Carrey, Jim at outlook.com, and I'm looking for website. Click on submit. So forms get filled, lands appear. Thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. So if someone wants SEO, automation, AI tools, or full website, they land here. If you need these services, visit asquaresolution.com and drop your request. My team will reach out. Let me be brutally honest. You will feel loose at the start. You will doubt yourself. You will compare with big creators. That's normal. Everyone start as nobody. Even Google started in a garage. Even Amazon sold books first. Progress is ugly before it's sexy. So keep shipping and let's connect the dots. So YouTube's is your attention, the blog is the authority, SEO is traffic, hosting is foundation, AdSense is the monetization, Services services are high ticket, and playlist is the funnel. Together they create ecosystem, no hustle system. So if you are still watching and haven't subscribed yet, man, that's like entering Starbucks and not ordering coffee. So go ahead and subscribe. Also like and check the playlist. This is episode 9. Previous episodes build the base. Next episode go deeper. So don't chase money, build value. Money follows. You don't need rich parents. You don't need perfect English. You don't need fancy laptops. You need internet. You need patience, and you need consistency. That's it. So, uh, if you can scroll Instagram for 2 hours, you can build a skill for 2 hours. Same fingers, different future. All right, legends. That's episode 9. Next episode, we will go deeper into scaling automation and advanced monetization. Make sure you are subscribed, drop your question in the comments, and remember knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is freedom. See you in the episode 10. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Take care.